What's up, guys? Want to install a 4-channel amp into this vehicle? This is what you need to do. First, of course, you get your line out converter. You're going to tap that into your speaker signal from the rear. From the rear, not the front, because you have to go into the boot for the front speaker wire. Run it back to your factory amp, leaving the factory dash speaker connected to the radio, because it must seize that signal. Second, you're going to tie a dummy speaker into the same signal coming from the radio, from off the rear of the speakers, then out to your rear speaker, to the amplifier. And that way you get sound.
The Second Amendment, sexual harassment, just to name a few. That's why our focus at the Times is on reporting the facts and the issues that matter most, to help you understand what's at stake for your community, for your state, and for your country.
When adding
the truth
a 4-channel
demands our
amplifier
attention. Read, watch,
to the
and
Uconnect
listen to
system
the New York Times.
and the Dodge
Visit
Ram.
nytimes.com.
And pretty much probably every Uconnect system.
You know I'm always talking about my friends
It
that
has to have 4
Listen, if you've
speakers
been injured in a car accident, you
connected
need to give them
to
a
the
call.
factory side of the radio.
BIG. Please don't beat around the bush. Call them at 833-WIN-BIG.
This is a little dummy
That's
speaker.
833-WIN-BIG.
Thank me later.